If you've ever archived an email in Yahoo Mail and then struggled to find it again, this video is going to make things simple. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find archived emails in Yahoo Mail step by step so you can get back to important messages in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you're trying to locate an old receipt, an important conversation, or a message you accidentally archived and thought was gone for good. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on your Yahoo Mail inbox, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where Yahoo keeps your folders and mail categories. To find archived emails, look for the More option on the left side and click it. In some accounts, the archive folder may be hidden until you expand this menu, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. After clicking More, you should see additional folders appear in the sidebar. Now click Archive. This will open the archive folder and show you emails that you previously moved out of your inbox. Archived emails are not deleted, so they're still saved in your account and can be opened, searched, and moved back whenever you need them. Once you're inside the archive folder, you can scroll through the messages manually or use Yahoo Mail's search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. For example, you can search by sender name, subject line, keyword, or even part of a phrase from the email. That makes it much faster if you're trying to find one particular archive message among many. If you find the email you were looking for, you can open it just like any other message. From there, you can leave it archived, move it back to your inbox, or place it into another folder if needed. If you want to bring it back to the inbox, simply use the Move option and select Inbox. That way, the email will appear in your main inbox again and be easier to access later. So to recap, the main steps are open Yahoo Mail, click More in the left sidebar, and then click Archive. That's the fastest way to view archived emails in Yahoo Mail and retrieve anything you may have stored away. If this tutorial helped you find your archived emails, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.